tuning in to our first vlog episode. So today we'll be sharing a little bit more about how we sold Twin Waterfalls at a record price in PSF.
So it's a 1087 square feet unit sold at a record price in Twin Waterfalls because it's a newly MOP EC. So basically there's a large pool of supply. I remember in Property Guru it was about 150 something listing that time. So for our strategy in marketing this unit is to gain as much exposure as possible so that we can actually capture the most potential buyer for the unit.
Yeah. I recall we conducted Zoom virtual viewings and we advertised these events every time we were going to have it.
Yes, at the highest point there was about 70 over participants during the Zoom viewing open house. After that, I think we proceed on to Facebook Live, which actually garner more viewers.
Yes, correct. So the organic views, they reach about 2,000 for Facebook Live. Yeah, so then we had our home tour video, and our home tour video for the unit was also very well received. So we had quite a lot of inquiries and people sharing the home tour video as well, and I think that really contributed to the high price that we managed to eventually achieve for the seller. And so that was how we sold Twin Waterfalls at a record price in PSF.
Stay tuned to our next vlog episode.
Bye bye, see you.
See you.